this is just to clarify one misunderstanding that was created in our hospital. Was those small little misunderstanding. Before it escalates, I just wanted to give the explanation that a lady by name Namrata, and her husband Sunil, they delivered, Namrata delivered a baby girl on 8th by cesarean section, and they misunderstood the message that it was a baby boy, but it was a baby girl. Rather, in the simpler words, it was a female baby rather than a male baby. So they were little confused, and therefore they were into little excitement, anxiousness, and they wanted to clarify. So I called the meeting of all my staff from OBG section, from nurses to the ward sister to the operating surgeon, and it is evidently clear that all the records, say OT record, our anesthesia record, pediatric record, handing over record, and the name tag that we put in the hand of that baby, everything is suggesting that it was a female baby. Moreover, what the birth report which we make the relations right, they had written there also baby girl, and nicely they had given a name also to that girl. I can't remember the name now, but then they had also given that. So everything was discussed first within our staff, and then the parents were called. I personally talked to both the parents, mother Namrata and father Sunil. Everything was explained to them. They were also very cooperative. They said it could be misunderstanding, and they accepted that the baby is theirs and the sex is female. They were little anxious as to how to verify whether it is correct. So I have told them, if for any query, if they want to go to GMC and verify for whatever instance, they are open to do that. Ultimately the baby is theirs. But as of now, that misunderstanding which they had, mother and the father, has been clarified from our hospital side, and there is no more confusion. It is a female baby, and the parents are from Cape, and the baby currently is in SNCU because of little increased respiratory rate, but baby is apparently all right. So this is my explanation to. Maybe there are some small little news articles. So this is just to clarify the misunderstandings.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.